In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have ClickUp using GPT to power AI responses across tasks, docs, and comments so you can draft faster, summarize clearly, and automate routine writing with confidence. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp. Sign into your workspace if you aren't already. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want AI enabled, since model settings can be managed per workspace. You'll get the smoothest experience on a modern browser, so if something looks off, a quick refresh or trying another browser can help. Once you're in, click on AI. You can open the AI panel from the main interface, or when you're inside a task, a doc, or a comment editor. It typically appears as an AI or sparkle icon. Clicking it opens the composer, where you can enter prompts or use pre-built tools. If you don't see the AI option, it usually means your plan or permissions don't include it yet. In that case, check with a workspace admin to confirm that ClickUp AI is available and turned on for your team. With the AI panel open, click on the drop-down arrow next to the current model or provider label. This control lets you choose which engine powers your responses. The menu may also show recommended options or any defaults set by your admin. If the arrow is disabled, that's a sign your workspace has locked the model choice, and you'll need an admin to change it for everyone. Now change it to GPT. Select GPT from the provider list and wait a moment while the setting applies. From here on, the prompts you run in this panel will be routed to GPT, which is great for natural, fluent writing, structured summaries, and versatile brainstorming. You can use the same setting across tasks and docs, and you can always revisit the dropdown to switch models later if your needs change. A few quick best practices. Be mindful of what you share in prompts. Avoid pasting sensitive or confidential data. If you collaborate in shared spaces, remember that AI-generated content can be edited by teammates, so add context in your prompt to get outputs that match your tone and format. If you notice inconsistent results, specify your audience, length, and desired structure right in the prompt to guide GPT more precisely. If anything doesn't appear as shown, try a page refresh, confirm you're on the latest browser version, and check with your admin about AI access or model restrictions. That's it. Your ClickUp AI is now connected to GPT, ready to speed up your work.